Most people think crypto means buying a coin, holding it, and hoping it goes up. But if you can't actually use it in everyday life, what's the point?
Bitcoin maxis will tell you that Bitcoin changes everything. But can you withdraw money with it? For most people, not really. Can you buy a water bottle with it? Maybe in some places. But for most people, crypto isn't something that they use every single day.
Can you privately message people with Bitcoin? No, because Bitcoin was built to send money. That's it. Can you publish content, build an identity, use apps, sell products? Most crypto projects don't let you do that.
Most people in crypto don't actually use crypto. They just buy coins, wait, and hope it goes up.
So what does an actual usable Web3 and crypto network actually look like? Let me show you that now with Qortal.
So anything that can be done on the normal internet can also be done on Qortal, with the exception being that on Qortal, you remain in full control of your data the entire time. So at the moment, I'm on one application called Twitter, where you can tweet, look at other people's content, leave comments, leave reactions, etc. This is very similar to some other apps found on the normal web, except that it is fully decentralized and completely peer-to-peer. Another example of an app on Qortal is QTube, where you can watch and publish videos, as well as leave comments on videos, which are attached with a certain court donation that goes directly to the creator of that video, completely peer-to-peer with no middleman. And then another app is called Q Wallets, whereby creating an account on Qortal gives you access to a ton of crypto wallets, such as Qort, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Doge, DigiByte, Ravencoin, and Pirate Chain. So just having an account on Qortal gives you the opportunity to also have a wallet for your crypto. And then another thing you could do on Qortal is to chat with your favorite communities. So being part of a certain group on Qortal allows you to chat with the members of that group. For example, welcome to Qortal. If I leave a message on this group, everybody within that group will be able to access it and read it and chat with me. If your group so happens to be private, as this one is, for example, then all the messages in that group are going to be encrypted, meaning that only the members within that group can decipher that message and read it. So these are just a small subset of the numerous things you could already do on Qortal.
Most people still think crypto is only about coins and charts, but the real opportunity might be building an entirely different internet on top of these networks. If you're curious, you can explore Qortal by visiting qortal.dev today. I'll see you there.